Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 performing crypto of the year. Look at it here on crypto bubbles, 507% and still moving upward. We have Jasmine, we have Ton right here, and also Solana, but Kaspa is doing greatly well. And if I was to segment your portfolio for you, I would possibly put some Kaspa right there for this very bull market. And that is what I'll be talking about in this video: Kaspa price prediction in 2025 and what you need to know about Kaspa. So pay attention. And also, Bitcoin is about to pump to the upside. Are you ready for this very pump? All of this in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. Let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 performing crypto of the year, as you can see right now on crypto bubbles. And we have other layer 1 crypto performing as well, like Ton, we have Solana right here. And these are very nice crypto that you need to have in your portfolio, especially Kaspa, because Kaspa is still under $1. Look at it here, 0.167. So it's still below $1, and this is the best time to buy right now. If you look at coin market cap, Kaspa have done 89,000. This is crazy, guys. 89,000% since it was listed from the current market price, and it have 24.1 billion in circulation right now, and the circulating supply at this very point is equal to the total supply. And it will interest me to let you know that Kaspa is a fair launch coin, and they have their own blockchain, which is the KRC20 protocol. This protocol is going to do very well. This is my personal opinion, and I believe Kaspa is one of the layer 1 crypto that you can hold in your portfolio in this very bull market and make massive return compared to other layer 1 crypto. So Kaspa is going to do greatly well. And where can you buy Kaspa right now? If you want to buy, you can buy Kaspa on Bybit, Gate.io. We have KuCoin, we have Mexi, BitGet, and a lot of them right here. You can buy Kaspa right now into your portfolio, and you have to dollar cost average when you are buying, okay? Because from the look of this chart, market is still looking downward, so market is going to go down. So you can dollar cost average, you buy at this very point, market go down a little bit, you buy again at this very area. So that is very important. So I am expecting Kaspa to do very well in this very bull market. But before that very pump is going to happen in the market, there are significant points that we need to pay attention to on the chart. This very area is very crucial on the chart. As you can see, this is where we see major pump from in the past, and this very level of support is an important place or level we need to pay attention to. That means market can possibly move from this very area where the market is right now and come here before we see that very pump in the market, or the possibility of market just pumping from this very area to the upside is also there. That is why if you want to buy right now, you dollar cost average, you buy at this very point, and then if market come back down, you buy more. Okay, that is very important. And the next level you need to pay attention to as well on this chart, which is very critical, is this very level of support. So two level of support that is important right now is the first one right here and the second one at this very point. If you notice on the chart, at this various point, market has been pumping to the upside. So from here, market move upward. From the same point right here, market move upward. And right now, this area, if market break this level of support at this very point, a breakout here, going to send the market into this very area. But I don't see that possibility right now on Kaspa, because right now a lot of coins are dumping right down, but Kaspa is one of those layer 1 crypto that is still maintaining strength. Look at from this very area on the 30th of June downward, market move a little bit and then the maintaining strength at this very level. Look at what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin have been coming back to the downside all the way from here to this very point, but Kaspa right now is maintaining strength. Okay, now I am not saying market cannot come back down. The possibility is there, especially right now. Market can move into this very area before the next move to the upside, because market moved from here in the past to the upside, and then market moved from this very area as well to the upside in the past. So the possibility market come here, it will move upward, and then if market break at this very point, the next level of significant support is this very area for market to move upward. So these are the important level you need to pay attention to right now on Kaspa. And the Kaspa price prediction for 2025 is $10 minimum. This is my personal opinion. I am not expecting Kaspa to do below $10, and like I said in one of my videos, $5 price prediction is still bearish. It's still very bearish, guys. And if you look at this, $10 for Kaspa in 2025 is very, very possible. So if you do that by the circulating supply right now, you see that Kaspa is going to go straight up to $241 billion in market capitalization when it hits $10 in the heat of the bull market. So if you are buying Kaspa, you think of long term, okay? You're not buying right now and you sell tomorrow. You're going to wait in the next 1 year or more for the market to significantly move to the upside before you can see this market move up to $10. And also, as we approach that very $10, we also see mini correction in between the movement. So that is very normal in trading. So that is what I am expecting right now on Kaspa. Kaspa is going to do very well, guys. So if you've not bought, you can buy right now on Bybit and all the other exchanges. Bitcoin is about to pump to the upside. I'm going to show you something very specific that so many persons are not talking about right now on BTC. See, from this very area of resistance, market come all the way right down to this very point of $53,608. So from here, market move a little bit upward and market is going to move upward. That is what I am expecting right now on Bitcoin. Notwithstanding, the last 2 days was the CPI data. So the CPI data have been released from the United States, and what that means is from the data, it was very, very bad for the US dollars. It means that crypto is going to definitely pump to the upside, and especially by the end of this month, we're going to have Federal Reserve statements. So the Fed interest rate is also going to come in, which will make the market to move to the upside significantly. But before the Fed interest rate will come in before the end or at the end of this month, I am expecting this market to pump to the upside. So better time to pay attention to right now. And what I am expecting on this chart, if you look at it from here to this very point, is a significant level of resistance. So from here, market should break this level for market to move upward. So what I am paying attention to right now is a breakout on this level of resistance right now. Once we see that breakout, market is going to move and approach this very level of $64,000 for 1 BTC. Another thing to pay attention to as well is that on this chart right now, we are having a divergence. So I am on the 1-day chart, and if you look at it very well, there is a divergence on this chart right now, and so many persons are not paying attention to this. So pay attention to this. If you look at this, market was coming back down, creating lower lows. But if you look at the indicator, which is the RSI indicator from this very point to this very area, this is a clear divergence, and this is a bullish divergence on the chart right now. Now, this divergence have not been confirmed, so we can only confirm that this divergence is going to still move upward or is going to play out once we see this market move upward and break out on this very resistance trend line. So once the breakout happen, the market is going to continue upward. So what you need to pay attention to right now is for the market to break out on this level of resistance, and once that happens, then this divergence is confirmed and the market is going to move bullish to the upside. So pay attention to buying or taking long position to the upside on Bitcoin. And on the 4-hour chart, similar thing on the 4-hour chart, which means double confirmation. Look at it here, guys. This is very, very important right now. So the first divergence is on the 1-day chart, but the second divergence is on the 4-hour chart right here. Look at it from this very point to this very area on the 4-hour chart, and market begin to move a little bit upward on the RSI indicator. And if you look at the chart, market is coming back down, creating lower lows, and the RSI is creating higher highs from this very area. So this is a divergence. Another thing to wait for is a breakout on this very level of important resistance. This resistance is very important right now, and that is why we need to wait for the market to break out. Once the market breaks out, the market is going to move all the way upward, and this is what I am expecting right now. So if you are paying attention to market coming back to the downside, that is a possibility as well. But right now I am not longer paying attention to market just dumping right down to $50 because of this divergence. And for us to confirm this divergence, we need to pay attention to market breaking out on this level of important resistance right now. And once that resistance breaks out, then market is going to from here move straight to the upside. This is my expectation following this technical analysis. Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 coin that you can have in your portfolio right now, and wait to 2025 and the heat of the bull market and make massive return of this layer 1 crypto. So get some Kaspa into your portfolio and wait for that massive move to come into the market in the heat of the bull run. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.